In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. Adding a favicon is a simple yet effective way to strengthen your brand's identity. It's the small icon that appears on the browser tab when someone visits your website. It not only makes your store easily identifiable among other tabs, but also enhances the professional appearance of your online presence. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not already familiar with the Shopify interface, this is where you manage your store's settings, products, and various other features that are essential for daily operations. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find different sections for managing your store. Now, click on the section labeled Online Store, and within that, select Themes. This section is crucial because it houses all the themes that dictate the appearance of your store. Here, you'll find the Customize button next to your current theme. Click Customize to enter the theme editor. Within the theme editor, you'll notice a plethora of customization options. Look at the top bar for a tab labeled Highlight. You'll want to click this to proceed. This action navigates you to the available settings specific to your theme. Moving forward, find and click on Logo from the list of options on the left panel of the screen. This brings you to the area where you manage not just your store's logo, but also the favicon, which we're interested in today. A favicon is usually uploaded in the same section because it's part of your store's branding. Here you'll see an option named Favicon. Click it to open the Upload section. This is where you can upload the image that will become your store's favicon. Make sure that the image you choose is square and ideally 32 by 32 pixels or 16 by 16 pixels, as these sizes are most commonly used for favicons. A well-designed favicon should be clear and noticeable even at this small size. After selecting the right image, you have the option to preview it along with your store's logo settings. If any changes are required to align with your brand, you can make those tweaks here. However, if you're happy with your image selection for the favicon, you can simply hit the Save button to apply it. At this juncture, if you decide not to proceed with any changes or wish to revert to a previous setting, simply click Cancel. This option allows you to backtrack without making any permanent changes. That wraps up our guide on adding a favicon to your Shopify store. With these steps, you not only enhance your store's branding, but also its visibility in web browsers. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more Shopify tips and tricks.